gonna go to our local shop who's gonna mount these tires and rims for me so I can put them on my truck. But first, breakfast. Very good, but not a sponsor. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe!
Just so everyone knows, I'm not fired. I'm still here, but I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm tired.
So the plan for tonight is to take the downpipe off and then weld a thingy and then weld the thingy to this. And this is just a temporary exhaust so I can get the truck safety down the road. I think you need injectors or a head gasket. Yeah, I think you got a head gasket problem. So there's two, I only have a downpipe on here right now. So there's one clamp up here, and there's one bracket down below. And then it comes off. And then we're gonna weld it together. So Mike's pulling the downpipe out. It's a Cummins, so it's very easy to access, unlike the Duramax where you have to pull the cab. Very easy to access, unlike a DJZ. That was easy. This is the stock downpipe. We have to weld this flange like that. It's the exact same size, so we're just gonna have to weld that all the way around. And then this piece fits inside. I'll show you. This goes inside like that. Luckily, it's like a really tight fit, so it's easy to do with a welder. Now we have a 4-inch exhaust. This is all you need. Will fit any model Civic. Like that. I guess you do your side first. We're trying to envision how to get around the cross member.
Oh, watch the paint!
Yeah, Mike, can you fit under? Just drop it on my face. Do you need to fit on? That's not gonna work. Maybe we should just take that back out and bend it down a little bit and test fit it before we weld anything. Yeah. Okay, I'll loosen that top clamp. It don't fit, so we cut it and make it fit. That jumped pretty good. Yeah, that actually worked better than I thought it was going to. Is it even bending? No. So we need our pipe stretcher, so we're going to go to the proper shop and use that. That was bright.
I like the fire.
Take a look at it. Together at the bottom? Yeah. Told you. Pipe stretcher.
Huh.
Prefabulated Android. Color. Shoes melting. Oh, that's ice. Oh. A little bit in, push my way. Yeah. Oh man, that's too far.
Just like a glove or too far?
See, that's gotta go up more. Yeah. Go up till you touch that and then just a hair down. That's grand. for the 5th time tonight, we're putting the downpipe back on. And we don't need that up here, Jake. We're just test fitting. I went to Timmy's and bought a donut. Actually, this is off the back of my truck because I don't need it.
I like donuts.
So we're back. In the back of this gasser pickup we always seem to use, we got the nice new tires for my big Dodge. So these tires, I wanted all these, see how it's like arrowed? I wanted that all facing forward, but turns out they aren't directional tires, they're symmetrical tires. So that means on this side of the truck, they're gonna be how I don't want them, which is backwards. On the other side of the truck, they're gonna be aiming forward. So one side of the truck gonna look like they're backwards, but I guess that's what it is. Always lift off your oil pan. Yeah. Ready for Mudfest. Grand. Other side. I gotta remove
These nuts. Got it!
I think what Mike did with these tires is a really good idea. Personally, I think it makes the truck look way shorter now. Like, it almost looks like a shorty, even though it has a long box on it for the flatbed. But I really like how fat these rear tires are. And the front ones are fat too, but you really notice it on the back. I think it looks really good. Yeah, show the gap. Yeah, show the gap. It must be a first-gen thing to have the yellow shocks in the rear. So they look good, but do they rub? Start her up and find it. So we're gonna finish the exhaust. One little hanger to do, and we're gonna, to make our lives much easier, we're gonna lift up this bed. First off, start the truck. Safety first, kids. I'm gonna weld the bracket for the exhaust pipe up. We're done, so it's time for bed. Beautiful. So, these cab lights have to go on the truck for an Ontario safety inspection, which we hope to do soon. And then, after that, and an e-test, we can rip her up down the road. Stock 140 horse. If you're wondering why I'm doing it so stretched like this, because I don't feel like moving the truck, and I can't stand on the door because I'll hit Josh's truck. Josh would get pissed off if I did that. No one likes a pissed off Josh.